Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi drawing step by step. Begin by sketching a rounded rectangle for the rice and a curved oval for the fish. Focus on proportions and simplicity before adding details. Use light strokes and check symmetry as you go. Add the nori band as a thin rectangle and place sesame seeds with small dots. Practice the same layout 3 times to build confidence and consistency. In this video, I will show how to make sushi drawing step by step. Start by blocking in major shapes to set size and placement on the page. Use light construction lines to keep everything aligned and balanced as you refine the outline. Lightly erase guidelines when proportions feel right and focus on clean contours. Repeat the basic sketch a few times to find the most pleasing composition and rhythm. In this video, I will show how to make sushi drawing step by step. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and easy art hacks. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum helps keep your workspace tidy, so you can spend more time drawing and less time sweeping up crumbs or eraser bits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make sushi drawing step by step. Choose a limited palette and layer colors slowly to build depth, using highlights for shine and darker tones for shadow. Suggest rice texture with small, short strokes and give fish a soft gradient for a natural look. Keep edges softer, where the fish meets rice, and sharper for nori. Take breaks to reassess color balance and contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.